G'day guys, got a heap of boxes and tubs on the table here. Believe it or not, there's a best part of a Honda CB754 in here. Just about every alloy component on the motorcycle. But I've been tasked, or I've been given the task, of making it all look pretty again. So I'll take the camera off the stand, we'll have a look at what's here, and we'll come up with a plan of attack and get into it. So what we've got here is the two crankcase halves. Painted aluminium. Customer wants to go raw aluminium on this when it's finished, so that's what we'll do. So what we've got to do is with that paint, we'll dry blast that, get rid of all that, then we'll wet blast it. What else have we got in here? There's the cylinder head, got some covers. Oh, under there is the cylinders, some other bits and pieces down there. Box full of carbies here, all stripped and ready to be blasted. Some more painted pieces. And in this box here, what do we got? We've got some hubs, some fork components, back and plate, oil filter. These bits here, he's done a bit of polishing on these. He said he couldn't get all the nooks and crannies, so he just wants me to blast clean the whole lot, and he's going to repolish the bits after they're done. Same with that engine cover there. So anyway, we might have a go at these engine cases and see what we can do with them. So here's a look at the underside of the lower case. Now, we'll give the inside of the engine a bit of a squirt, but we won't spend a lot of time trying to get this stuff that you can't see polished up clean. And we've got paint and stuff on this one, so let's dry blast that, and I'll pull it out of the cabinet and have a look at it after the paint's been taken off it. Here's probably a better look at what we're dealing with, all the paint and stuff. So we'll just give it a going over with light garnet, probably at about 100 psi, and should knock that stuff off piece of piece. And there's a look at the bottom crankcase. All the paint's gone off that, apart from in places that you can't see inside the engine. And we've put them side by side. So we'll knock the paint off this one, and then we'll wet blast them. And there's the two engine cases with all the paint knocked off them. We'll chuck them in the hydroblasting cabinet now, give them a wet blast. Customer's going to leave these raw, so we've got to make them look nice. And for those of you that haven't seen any of my wonderful videos before on my channel, this is my hydroblasting cabinet. This is where the magic happens. So there's a look at the lower crankcase after it's been hit with a glass slurry mix at about 80 psi. That's looking fancy, ain't it? Right, we'll do the top one. And there's the two engine cases after they've been hydroblasted. Looking very nice, not a skerrick of paint left on them. Now we will move on to this cylinder head. As you can see, it's a bit manky in there. Same process with this. We'll dry blast it first, get any paint off it and any other oil and crap that's on it, and then we'll hydroblast this one. See if we can make it a bit shinier. Yuck. And that there, viewers, is what we can do with a 50-year-old Honda CB750 head. That's looking gorgeous. We might do the cylinders next. And here's a set of cylinders. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Plenty of paint on this. Lots of oil and junk on this one as well, but same process. We'll just hit that with the dry, with the garnet, get rid of all that, and then shine it up and make it look like the rest of this stuff. So we knocked all the corrosion, dirt and grease off it with the dry blaster. We've had it in the wet blaster, and we've just gone over it with the glass and water slurry. We'll rinse that shit off, pop it on the table and have a look how it come out. And there's that cylinder in the sunlight. That is looking drop dead gorgeous. God, I love this job. Here we go, there's the rocker cover. That's painted as well. Eat, sleep and repeat on this. What I'll do now, I won't bore you with every single part. I'll blast a heap more parts and then lay them out on the bench and give you a look at a couple of progress reports along the way. So we're back, guys. We'll just do a bit of a walk along. We've done all these Honda CB750 parts. Don't they look the duck's guts? I'm going to call that a success. Well, there you go, guys. That's what the team at Bendigo Hydroblasting can do with your parts. We can bring stuff back from the dead. So thanks again for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.